The vowels in English are A, E, I, O and U. Each vowel has a schwa sound. This is the unstressed sound you hear in a word. You can think of it as a lazy vowel sound. Now let's look at some examples. Panda, panda. Gorilla, gorilla. Umbrella, umbrella. Chicken, chicken. Camel, camel. Pencil, pencil. Family, family. Carrot, carrot. Lemon, lemon. Monkey, monkey. Honey, honey. Surprise, surprise.